there, this is Peter at the House of Fangs, just coming in again with another unboxing video for some of our freshwater fish that we got in this week. Some really neat things that we have going on. There's a Kyburz tetra, Pseudo-Chalceus kyburzi. It's a fish that we don't often get, so I'm super excited to show these guys off. So we're going to start with those guys. Nope, that's not it. Alright. Here they are. So these guys are pretty neat. Rather large, larger growing tetra species, but pretty cool, easy to take care of. So gonna get these guys settled in, and once they're in the tanks, look forward to seeing like some stills and some video of those guys. So our next fish is from West Africa. So these are the Nanochromis Perillus. I don't really know if they have a common name, but they're very similar to like the common crib, easy to take care of, beautiful little fish. On to the world of shrimp. So these guys are some crystal red shrimp, pretty beefy ones too. These guys are pretty large, so these guys are gonna look really neat once they're all settled in too. What else do we have next? Oh, so this is another oddball one that I'm not terribly familiar with. So these guys are called like Peacock Dwarf Gouramis. So it's just another variant of the standard dwarf gourami, but coloration's a little bit different in the body, so these guys will look really nice once they settle in. And then lastly, another tetra species. These guys are the brass tetras. So really great schooling fish. They have this really bright gold silver glimmer to them. These guys look really cool when settled into your aquarium, and they'll school very tightly. So that's it for this week. And as always, we'll have like videos and pictures posted at the end of this video so you guys can see what they look like when they're less stressed and out of the night. Thanks.